Machinery. Today we are going to export 2 units of 132 kilowatts pellet machine, screw carrier, and the spare parts for these 2 pellet machines export to India. As you can see that these 2 pellet machines will need an 20 feet container for loading these machines and spare parts. Currently, the machine has many 132 kilowatts, 90 kilowatts, 160 kilowatts wood pellet machine running in India market. I will introduce this 132 kilowatts pellet machine in details to you. As you can see, this is the whole machine display. This machine with an 132 kilowatts electric motor, and the capacity for this one is 1.5 to 2 tons per hour. Now this machine is suitable for making many different materials to make pellet. For example, like wood sawdust, agricultural waste, like a groundnut shell, paddy straw, sugar cane and bagasse, rice husk, and many other different materials. As you can see, my machine, we are using the large size 1048 gear reducer, and also our gear reducer has 2 lubricating oil pump. The downside oil pump is for cooling the gear oil with the air fan cooler, and the second oil pump is for lubrication the oil, the gear oil to the main shaft bearings. My friend, as you can see, our pellet machine with outside all the stainless steel, the hopper pelletizing room, and all the covers are used good quality stainless steel. Inside the pellet machine, we'll use the 4CR13 stainless steel ring die. The lifetime could reach 1,000 working hours. And also inside the pellet machine will fit with 2 units of ruler example. This ruler example is also a kind of spare parts. The ruler shell, we use a weld type roller shell. Roller shell can the lifetime increase double than the regular roller shell. The weld type wearing material roller shell. This is the grease pump for the pellet machine. The function for this grease pump is for lubrication the grease oil to the roller bearings and the pellet push device bearings automatically. This can ensure the machine work continuous 24 hours with no problem. As you can see, our electric control panel, it's an industry standard electric panel, and with all the buttons control the pellet machine, and also will fit with an frequency speeder device for controlling the speed of belt conveyors or screw conveyors. Inside the electric panel, we have all electric components, Galicia brand, the famous brand quality of electric components for pellet machines. 6 meters screw conveyor feeding materials to our pellet machine. It with 2.2 kilowatts electric motor, and the capacity can reach to 2 tons. Together with the 2 units of pellet machine, we also send all the necessary spare parts together with the equipment. So for a long time, half year or 1 year spare parts using for the spares of the pellet machine.